Hello friends, now to solve this expression we follow the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve brackets, small brackets, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for of, we convert into multiplication, and then square roots, cube roots and exponent under the O. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to using the BODMAS rule, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first step, division. According to BODMAS, division must be performed before the addition or a subtraction. Now 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. According to this step, division has a higher priority than the surrounding plus and minus signs. Now the expression becomes 7 minus 1 multiplied by 0 plus 1. Now the second step, multiplication. Next we handle the multiplication in the expression. Now first we multiply 1 into 0. Now according to this step, multiplication also takes the priority over the addition and subtraction. Now the expression becomes 7 minus 0 and then plus 1. Now the third step, addition and subtraction. Now that only addition and subtraction remains in the expression, so we solve from left to right. Now subtract 7 minus 0 is equal to 7, and after that 7 plus 1 equals to 8, and 8 is the final answer. Now according to this step 3, addition and subtraction also have the equal priority, so they are proceed in the order they appear from left to right. Now by using the BODMAS rule, according to this expression, the final result of the expression is 8, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.